was young, learned to count my blessings by the songs my mother sung. Now the road gets harder, bills pile to the sky. Still I keep on singing, still I keep my eyes up high. That's the only change. Everything else in the song stays the same as the last version. Some days are heavy, some days are light, but I keep my head up, keep my heart right, keep moving forward. No matter what they say, Jah gonna guide me through another day. Keep moving forward, love gon' light the way. No matter how they try me, I won't fade away. Friends became like strangers, some walked out the door, but the ones who stayed beside me, I love them even more. Every lesson learned in hardship made my spirit strong. I'm still here and breathing, that's why I sing this song. Some days are heavy, some days are light, but I keep my head up, keep my heart right, keep moving forward. No matter what they say, Jah gonna guide me through another day. Keep moving forward, love gon' light the way. No matter how they try me, I won't fade away. One love, one heart, one destiny. We rise together, that's how it's meant to be. Nothing gonna stop us, nothing gonna break. This life's a blessing every move